Today we're going to add a new theme to a WordPress website. So this is a brand new installation and we want to add Bricks Builder and Bricks Builder child theme. So simply we just come into a parents, go into themes, click add new, and we're going to upload our theme and we're going to go find our theme. So firstly, let's just take a look at where those might be. Bricks. So we're going to put Bricks Builder in first, install. This will unpack, we'll activate it. Okay, I'll come back and activate license in a minute. And then let's add in the child theme as well. Add new, upload theme, and we'll add the child theme, install, activate. Okay. So now I just come in and I put my activate license in, and I have got now the new Bricks Builder ready to go for this new WordPress site. All right, thanks.